Hello everyone. So here I have mentioned some of the tips for JEE mains in short time. First thing is that solve the JEE mains previous year paper and make short notes. This means that you can't go through all the theory part and it will be very lengthy. So some of the people have not yet started. So I have made this video. So here how to make the short notes. The question comes how to make the short notes. So I think if you when you go on solving the previous paper, some of the question I have taken some of the based on the chemistry. So you can read the question: which compound has maximum crystal field splitting? So we know that it's from the coordination geometry chapter. So here the answer is this. Okay, that means cobalt cyanide thrice whole raised to 3 minus. So here by seeing the cyanide, okay, so we know that cyanide is a strong ligand. So this is the short trick or a short point to be remembered while writing the exam. Okay, so this like we need to make the things where we can get to know how to make the short notes, and while going to the exam before the day or morning when we get up and go while going the exam, we can just read these short notes and you can go to the examination hall without any tension. So I listed that revise this point before the exam starts. Next, watch video per subject like how to solve the problems. It means that if you want to, you need some 2019 paper last year chemistry. So there you can visit the YouTube channel and you can get some videos based on the chemistry 2019 paper JEE mains. So you can get the question pattern and how they will solve that, by which method they will, so you can just understand and make point how to solve it, just the steps. Okay, like how I made this, like the steps. Okay, next, well, I want to just give some recommendation. So while writing the exam, I mean while going to the exam, so we need to be very calm and cool and go on time. Okay, and be seated. So I suggest, well, when the exam starts, so just come from the 21 to 25th question, because we know that from 21 to 25th there is no negative marking. So I believe you must start from 21 to 25th, because you will be tensed and you will be start to answer the questions. So if you write even the wrong thing, because they will be having some keypad, you can type the number and you can write the answer. So even if it is wrong, it's well, because there is no negative marking. So I suggest you come from the 21 to 50, at least from for 50 minutes, so that your mind calms down. Okay, because you'll be in hurrying to finish the exam. Next thing is that read the questions twice and thrice and get the data or the given, and try to apply your in your own method to solve it. Okay, uh, so see, like how we have here, we can see here this question: which compound have maximum crystals field between? There will be some of the many questions like physics, like theoretically, like if particle mass is particle of mass m is moving in this direction, there will be some with velocity. So we can just draw that diagram, we can just analyze the problem, and we can understand and we can click some of the questions by our own uh, knowledge. Okay, so this is the one of the trick. So next, use elimination method. Elimination method, okay. Elimination method means, suppose we know that there are almost four choices or the options. While solving by understanding by this, okay, by this you will be getting to know that suppose first and fourth are disabled or eliminated, then you can choose from these two to B and C. So here just what you can do, you can get the, like, again you need to go through the question again, you can get you may eliminate between these two and you can get the proper answer. So this is eliminator method. If anything you feel, oh, this we can't come, only just eliminate in the rough paper, they'll be given a rough paper. Okay, next, last 30 minutes view all the answers which you have marked. So we know that there is 3 hours time. So last 30 minutes you just go on through the all which all you marked the answer, so that it will be good. Or else at last the time, we know that when the time finishes, the PC will be shut off. Yes. Next, complete the syllabus of PUC second. go through it, try to apply some methods to get near or equal values of given options. So this means that because now we are in like you are in PUC second, so it will be easier for you to get to know about the topics because you are almost you are learning from the beginning. So I think just go through the because before like exams on 10th, so you need to learn like at 8th or 7th, okay, Jan, you need to go on 7th on 8th, you must just finish your syllabus so that you will get oh something 50% I have completed, that confidence will be coming there. Okay. I have taken some of the examples based on physics, like how we take in the chemistry. So here there is a capacitor, okay, and here are some this was a these two are also capacitor because they farad. So they will ask what is the total current at the 6 microfarad capacitor. So here just what we can do, so to find the current at the 6 microfarad, there is just one trick or the formula, like with take the capacitor like it's a 6 microfarad, like micro is 10 to minus 6, okay. So here just what we'll do, uh, we can just add this, means we'll take the capacitor and we'll just add the total capacitor. There are two capacitors, so just we'll add 4 plus 6 and into the charge at the capacitor, which is 30 microcoulomb. So if we substitute here, we'll get that 18 microcoulomb. If you want, suppose if you want the charge near 4, then the formula will be 4 by 4 plus 6 into, similarly same 30, same only 4 will change, okay. This you can get the answer. Next, coming to the maths, if ABC are unit vector, a plus b plus c is equal to 0 and lambda is equal to a dot b, b dot c and c plus c dot a, and d is equal to this etc things, okay, then we need to find the lambda comma d. So first what we'll do, as we know the theory which we have gone through the previous second, you have already learned in the exercise problems. So we'll just make this a square because there is a, we need to prove that. So we'll square it, and we know that the ABC are the unit vector. So 1 1 1, so 2 into will take common. If you this like a plus b plus c whole square, you know that formula. So if you apply here, this is 3 and this already has given here lambda, so 2 into lambda, that is lambda is equal to minus 3 by 2. So when they have given one more d is equal to this, and here let us assume from this equation c is equal to minus b minus a, so minus a or minus b. So in the place of c we'll just substitute this, and if you multiply this, you will this both will get cancelled because it's based on the formula, I mean the idea of the concept. And a cross b is equal to, this all are like terms, so 3a plus b, so this comma this is the lambda plus b. So in this manner you can just list some points and go through the examination, and you can just review one time, okay. If you get up at 6 o'clock morning, only by only half an hour it will be finished. If you go on to the all the points, just even it may be formula also, if you do this, like it will be 100% sure that you will score some of the good marks, okay. So I think this is a very good technique for you, who those students who has not yet started for JEE mains. So I think this is a good tips. So I hope you like this video, so please like it and share it, and so that the other students also get benefit, and subscribe it. Thank you.